Welcome to demo day 3 of CDH session. Okay, so in today's session, we will try to explore few more new things. In the yesterday session, means day 2 of demo session, we have covered about what is decisioning and what is marketing, NBA, after that NBO, right? So after these 4 points, like whatever we discussed, in today's session, we'll try to continue. Okay. So about this NBA and NBO, if anyone having any doubts, please let me know once. I'll try to explain once again. And documents also attached. I hope you may receive the documents. In the documents also listed in a very clear way. If you go through with that, you can able to understand what is the meaning of NBA and what is NBO. Once again, we'll try to revise all these 4 points within 5 minutes, and then we'll.
Sorry to interrupt, Jansi. Like, where can we access the document? Sorry, I did not get it.
I hope they may share through WhatsApp.
Oh, okay. Should we enroll before we
Not
join
like
the
that.
group?
For first initial 5 days, whatever the
Uh,
concepts we are discussing, all those documents you will receive through the WhatsApp.
okay, because I didn't receive, so that's why I'm asking.
If you save that number, definitely you may receive. Otherwise, do one thing. Do
Mm-hmm.
a message to that WhatsApp number. They'll share that. Okay. If still
Okay,
you are
so
not getting, then let me know once again tomorrow. Then I'll just verify with them. Okay.
yeah, sure. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
So in the yesterday session, we have covered about all these 4 concepts mainly, right? So today also we'll try to continue with few slides of our demo PPT. After that, CDH architecture means how the CDH framework is building on top of our Pega platform, and how rules are accessing from one platform, like one framework to other framework, and how the connection is happening in the backend. That thing we'll try to explore. After this discussion, if we have time, then we'll try to explore how to log into your PDN account, and how to launch your any of the mission challenge, and where you have to create a new application to work on your CDH framework. All these things we'll try to explore in today's session. Okay. So first of all, we'll try to revise day 2 topics, and then today we'll try to continue with the next remaining concepts. So any one of you, please let me know what you understood about this decisioning part. Why we use this decisioning here? Is anyone of you? I hope everyone joining from day 1, right? Anyone joined newly for today's session only?
No, actually, decisioning we are using to provide the right offer to the right people at the right time.
Yes, yeah. So
Yeah.
it is a process of finding the right offer to the right customer at right point of time, right? So
Yes.
for taking this decision, there are different datas, like they need some kind of customer data, some model related analysis they are doing, along with combination of some eligibility checkings, right? Suppose if we want to provide any offer to the customer, first we have to analyze the situation of the customer, and if everything is fine, customer is eligible to receive any of the offer, then we have to check how many offers are eligible that particular customer to receive. If there are total 4 offers, okay, then out of that 4, customer is eligible to receive 3 offers. Among these 3 offers, okay, let's say, just try to understand my point. There are 4 offers, okay, that means 4 offers from one bank or any of the application it is. Among these 4 offers, by checking with few data, okay, so what it might be, this might be some customer information, like their first name, last name, genders, and their annual income, related to that kind of data. After receiving this data, they are checking some eligibilities, and if they are eligible, again they have to check the suitability. Okay, what is the meaning of this suitability here? At that current situation, even though customer is eligible to receive a platinum card, okay, let's say, suppose customer is eligible to receive gold card, but is it suitable to the customer profile or not? We have to check, because customer may already having a platinum card. If you recommend gold card, there is no use, right? So that suitability also we have to check. In the same way, there are few more rules also we have to check. Finally, after checking, out of these four offers, we may get three or two or only one offer. Okay, so based on the different checkpoints, offers may be finalized. Then we have to consider what are all the offers are written by this eligibility and suitability conditions. These we have to consider as next best offers. Okay, so among these next best offers, we have to find out what is next best action. Okay, that is nothing but it might be a service, it might be a message, it might be a product recommendation, whatever it is. Among these three offers, we have to find out what is the next best action we have to send. Okay, so how it can find out? So we have to check with the ranking. Okay, so there for three products, ranking will happen in the backend. Rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. So all these will be uh, take care by some process of arbitration. Okay, that will take care by arbitration process. It is also a kind of backend AI model processing. Okay, so this arbitration process will take care to give ranking to the each offer. Then rank 1, the offer which is having rank 1 and priority value, which is having more, that we have to consider as next best action. Okay, remaining out of these three, one become next best action, remaining two we have to consider next best offers. Clear everyone? Getting my point? Any confusions between next best action and next best offer? Hello, just give me the confirmation. Is it clear or any doubts still this?
It's clear to you.
Sorry, clear, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So here, next best action, it's like a main thing which we have to do for a customer right now. That means always we have to think in the customer perspective. Okay, always next best actions for a customer may change based on the situations. Okay, that situation also I have provided in the document. Let's say you can see yesterday one person asked me a question, right? So on a website he's able to see three to four offers. Then how can he understand what is the best offer? Means that all things will take care by the organization only. Whatever you are seeing, that you have to consider all are best actions. Okay, but as a website they have to take care which is most recommended to the customer. They have to highlight that in a home screen, or they have to highlight in a side like some carousel format or some in the title format. Like that they have to do formatting of their website. Okay, but whenever that customer is seeing on their website, definitely that will be a next best action to the customer, because Based on the situation, based on the interest of the customer, they are checking with the interaction history. And also, if you take one example from an organization, let's say that is a bank organization, they are trying to recommend some credit card offer. Okay, some trying to recommend credit card offer. But what happened at that point of time for organization, that is a next best action. In the same time, at the same time, customer is having some kind of issues with their login. Okay, issues with their login. Then what they have to do at that point of time, this customer have to raise a ticket. Then who will receive the ticket? When customer raised a ticket, who will have to receive that? Customer service related representative, right? Then from that customer service representative, further processing will happen and that issue they have to resolve. Then at that situation, that they have to consider as a main request. Okay, so this customer service representative will take care about the issue whatever customer is facing, and then once it is resolved, while customer facing an issue, there are some next best actions. Okay, after issue resolved, there may be another kind of next best actions. Okay, so always this CDH will evaluate next best actions in the real time based situations. Getting my point? Clear or any doubts? So before the issue, what is the next best action here? Some credit card related, any upgrade or some personal loan recommendation. But during the issue, what might be the next best action? They have to provide some kind of fee waiver or apology related offer, or any message they have to send, or some kind of password reset related confirmation message they have to send, or finally at least priority credit card offer they have to send. Getting my point? Clear till this?
Yes.
Right? So based on the situation, always in the back end, the CDH related engine will refresh the next best actions based on the real-time interactions. That is how they have introduced this one-to-one customer engagement related process. Other than in the previous versions of CDH, they just followed a bulk campaign, means at a time there is no matter what is the customer situation, but they are trying to send what they have in a list. Okay, but now that is changed. Based on the situation, they have to send some kind of apologies messages or some confirmation related messages at the least priority. If everything is fine, they can send credit card offer. Okay, so clear, I hope everyone.
Yes, it's clear.
Right? Yeah. So thank you for confirmation about this one. Next, about this next best action and next best offer we discussed, right? Then why this next best action or offer organization needs? Okay, why it is needed? That thing we'll explore here. So, when we provide next best actions to the customer, always customers stay with us because we are doing some favor to him, right? We are always taking care of him and we are resolving his issues and we are providing some offers based on the situation of customer, right? So, personalized customer experience will increase, then automatically the satisfaction increase, obviously revenue also will increase to the organization. So here what is happening, both are getting profit by using the method finding the next best action to the customer. Okay, and then what is the next one? High conversion rate. So example for this situation is when we recommend a proper product to the customer, customer automatically will buy that product, right? Then what will happen? He is converted as a customer, right? So conversion rate also will increase because of targeted actions will improve the response rate. Okay. And then as a third point, whenever customer is converting, means he is accepting the actions or offers, increased revenue will happen. So better resource allocation reduces wasted marketing spend. Means through the marketing channels, if we do more promotion, if you observe for any of the WhatsApp campaign or email campaign, at least per one message they are charging like they are charged 40 pies or 1 rupee, like that, right? So even that 1 rupee also matter here. If you are trying to communicate with 60,000 people, then 60,000 into 1 rupee means it is almost for one interaction, for one message delivery, it is 60,000, right? So instead of reaching that 60,000 persons, if you target among them 6,000, let's say, then if 6,000 people among them, at least if they accept up to 4,500, money wastage is reduced, right? So that's what we have to always think in the perspective also to increase the revenue. Okay. Next, this is the operational efficiency, means faster response times enhances the customer engagement. That means if customer is looking for some product, if we are respecting his opinion, then that will improve some kind of subscription or some kind of customer engagement. Okay. So if we think about a customer, always customer also will think about an like any of the company or any of the product it is. Okay. So that's what it is better to maintain a relation with the customer. That relation we can consider here as an engagement with the customer. Okay. So that is how it is benefit always to recommend next best actions to the any of the customer from an organization. Okay. So this slide clear, everyone? Is it clear about this slide?
Yes, clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next one, we'll move to another slide. So why business need this NBA means to maintain customer engagements by providing on-time offers and taking an action at given time. That same thing we are telling from, like we are discussing from initial session, right? So to increase the customer engagement with an organization, we have to provide right offers always. Okay. So at right time, if we provide, that will help both for organization as well as customer. Even within last few minutes also I just added that point, right? For both organization, for both customer, that should be benefit, right? So next, if we want to reach out the customers, generally there are two types of marketing strategies. Okay. One way customer may reach out us, another way we have to reach the customer. Okay. So for first situation, like when customer is reaching an organization. Okay, let's say if customer open HDFC bank, that we need to consider customer is reaching the HDFC bank. Okay. Otherwise, second situation, from the HDFC bank, they are providing some discounts on any credit card or any personal loans or any mortgage loans, whatever it is. They are sending emails, they are sending text messages, they are sending some push notifications. Okay. All these means from the organization we are reaching the customers. Okay. So there are two types of marketing strategies. One is we are reaching the customer, another one is customer reaching us. Then here marketing technical terminology is also two types. Okay. One is inbound marketing, Another one is outbound marketing. Getting my point? So inbound marketing means customer comes to you. If it is outbound marketing, we are reaching the customer. So using outbound marketing, we can run the campaigns. At a time, we can run email campaign. When we run an email campaign, at a time we can reach multiple customers. Okay. So if that is the situation, we can go with the outbound marketing. In the outbound marketing also, there are different channel configurations available. If it is a inbound marketing means customer comes to us, okay, means they may contact us through any call center, they may view some information on a website. So all these two we have to consider as inbound marketing. Okay. So examples of this inbound marketing is we can see here call center, or it may be a website, or some retail centers. Okay, that is also inbound marketing we can consider. Outbound marketing means it might be a email message, or it might be a SMS reminder, or any of the SMS message, and campaigns, that is like WhatsApp channel campaign. We can reach out the customer, right? So this is how there are two types of marketing strategies generally. The CDH will follow inbound marketing and outbound marketing. Okay. Next one. What are different industries are using CDH in their applications? Okay. So some insurance related applications, like some retail banking applications are using, healthcare related applications are using. Reasons may be different, okay, but they are using it for the taking the decisions, okay, not for service providing. This is for taking the decisions, okay. So what might be the decisions? We have to recommend any of the offers or any of the messages. We need to take a decision, right? So for taking the decision process, we are taking the help of CDH features. Then some financial services are using this CDH framework. Telecom related to healthcare using this CDH. Retail along with the telecom domains also using. Okay. So how in the financial services it is used? Okay. They are combining features of CDH with the financial services when they want to promote. Okay. When they want to promote any of the personalized offers, like you can see here credit cards, or any of the loans, or any of the products, if they want to recommend, then they are taking the help of the CDH framework. Okay, so there are different features. That features, importance, all the things will cover in the coming sessions. But you have to understand financial services also using the CDH framework inbuilt features. Okay, then by using the features of the CDH, what will happen? Some kind of fraud detection may reduce. Okay, means suppose it will improve the fraud detection, means who are doing some kind of fraud, that will reduce. Why the reason here? Where by using some kind of conditions, like some eligibility checkings, okay, some kind of filtrations, and AI related features we are combining, right? So that's what it will helps to increase fraud detection, and customer retention also increase with the strategies of CDH. Okay. And then in the healthcare domain, how they are using, this is for some kind of treatment recommendations, or to promote some kind of insurance related offers, or to maintain some entire patient journeys. Then also they are using CDH features in the healthcare domains. Okay. So member engagement will increase when they are using the CDH. Okay. Then in the retail applications, when if we add any of the products to your cart, sometimes if you observe, you are getting some reminder message. Then in the back end, what is happening? They are taking help of some decisioning here. Okay. So with this decisioning, they are checking, is that cart any product is added. If they added, purchase is completed or not, that they'll check. If it is not completed, then they'll send the product recommendation once again. So such kind of things they are doing with the help of this CDH. Okay. Next, in the telecom domain, how it is helpful means some kind of upselling or cross selling. So here, what is the use of, or what is the meaning of upselling? Suppose customer is using 1 GB data per day. Okay. Then you are trying to upsell your sales. You are providing 1.5 GB data. Okay. 1.5 GB data for same package. Then obviously conversion and upsell of your products are increasing or not? Cross sell means if customer is already purchasing this particular like a 1.5 GB data package, there you are trying to cross sell, means you are trying to promote another package like OTT subscriptions. Okay. Along with your 1 GB data package, you are trying to sell another more product like get Netflix plus AHA or Amazon subscription along with 1.5 GB and OTT within this price. Okay, then customer will compare this price with separate OTT subscription price. Then which one is better? Customer will go with that. Getting my point? Clear everyone? Up to this clear? Any doubts?
It's clear.
It's clear, right? So there are different situations. They are using this CDH features in the different domains, but the importance we have to know, and how to use all these things we have to understand. Okay. And then we'll try to cover another slides. Next, what are the different roles? Okay, what are different roles when we learn CDH framework? Then there are different roles are available. 1 minute. Happened. Okay, I'll open this PPT slide. So once if you learn CDH framework, we can apply as a business analyst role. Okay. Then I think every one of you know what is the role of business analyst. He used to prepare different use cases which we have to work on, right? So once if they assign any task, then they'll monitor whatever the task they provided, it is implemented in a proper way or not. That will take care by the business analyst. Even if they have to assign any task or they have to prepare any kind of user stories, first they have to know the framework, right? That's what even as a business analyst, if you want to go, you have to maintain knowledge on this framework and different features. After that, as a IT developer, okay, means when you are working on the CDH related application, you can go as a developer. And marketing strategist means specifically they'll maintain some idea on segments creation. They'll maintain some idea on some kind of like whatever strategies design. So what is the best strategy? to maintain some customer engagement. So all these things will take care by the marketing strategies. Okay, so that role. So here role names may be different, but purpose we have to understand. Okay, as a data scientist means in the back end for calculating propensity or some kind of prioritization related ranking values, data scientist will play a major role. Okay, they will work on models in the backend. Those are predictive models, adaptive models, like some kind of model related development also they have to do, right? So data scientist also will play a major role here. So combined together of different roles, one project related application will go, right? So each person role is different, but we have to understand the importance of each role. Okay, next, what are the certifications we have to do if you are learning this CDH? We have to do first CSA certification and then CPDC. Finally, we can do certified data scientist. Means, as you know, because in the previous slide we have seen, right? There we need some data scientist role also because they have to work on model related configurations. So yeah, up to this one clear everyone? We are done with the presentation. As of now, clear whatever we discussed.
Yes.
1 minute. I don't know why it is. Give me 1 minute. I'll take any of the eraser. Okay, done. Okay, so today we have discussed all about what is this NBA, NBO, and why this is needed for any of the organization. What they'll get if they follow the approach, always finding next best actions to the customers, and then what are different domains are using it, and what are different roles, what are certifications we have to do. So all these things we covered in today's session, right? Next thing, we have to understand another more concept. Okay, that is, I'll draft here the next concept. We have almost 25 minutes more, right? So in the next 25 minutes we'll try to discuss about different points. Those are CDH application architecture. Okay. So generally in the last sessions also we discussed about a framework, right? So this CDH also a framework. Then on top of regular Pega based platform, we have to build or place this framework, right? And then on top of this CDH framework, what is the next thing we have to do? We have to place our own implementation application, right? Is it or not? Generally, what we will follow in regular Pega applications, what we will follow generally on top of a Pega platform, we will, if your organization is having any framework, that is fine. Otherwise, we will create a new framework. On top of it, we will place our implementation layer, right? So here also, in between that, above this framework may be specific to your domain. On top of it, if you want to apply any of the CDH related features, then what we have to do? We have to place this CDH framework. On top of it, we can create our own implementation application. So getting my point, everyone? what will be the structure here? The backend architecture, like application structure, you have to understand. So here, Pega CDH applications generally will build based on this Pega regular platforms only. Okay. So Pega regular platform related applications, what it is having in the basic layer. Just let me know in the base layer of Pega application, what are different rules available there? What are the key services provided by this Pega base layer application? Any one of you please respond once. Some case management
Minimum,
related,
right?
what will it provide?
All case
Like,
management.
yeah, case type designs like that. And some kind of data modeling, related classes,
Flow rules.
data pages, some kind of data types, right? And some flows, stages, and then different assignments, right? Along with some integration related configurations also they do, right? So it is base layer also, it's nothing but a one application that also we can consider it as like a main platform where we can place any of the another applications to access our application related different functionalities, right? Along with some security rules also available, some access groups, and some kind of roles also they defined in the base application, right? Next, what will be the next layer generally in the general?
Framework.
Sorry?
Framework layer.
Normal framework layer. So here we are specifically discussing about our CDH framework, right? So this CDH framework will consist of some core features. Okay, some core features. Now we'll try to discuss about some core features of CDH. As similar to all these features, like all these services, this CDH framework also helps to provide some specific features. Okay, then what are the specific features here? In this CDH framework, by combining with some AI models, okay, so some kind of strategy related pre-construction, okay, means already some strategies they designed, okay, along with that some adaptive model related configurations also available, and some kind of predictive models, okay. So don't bother about what is this adaptive model, what is this predictive model, because in the coming sessions definitely we'll learn what is the purpose of it, how it will be useful, and how to work with these models. All these things we will cover, okay. Along with this, there are some configurations already provided by this CDH framework called some decision data, like what are different offers, okay, and some kind of NBAD, in the sense next best action designer, okay. So what is the meaning of this next best action designer here? This is one framework, okay. So within this they have provided few more things. Then what are that mean? Some kind of business taxonomy defining, okay. Business taxonomy is nothing but business structures to define, okay, and some kind of we can define here different business issues, okay, and business groups, prepositions, all these things, they may added few things in the sample framework. Okay, just this framework will guide us and this will help us to reuse some functionalities. Otherwise we can build some functionalities on top of it, right? So here this business structure will help us to define business issues, groups and prepositions. Then you may get the question, what is this business issue, what is business group and preposition? So simply I'll tell you one in one line. What is this business issue here? It is the main reason of promotion. Main reason of promotion. And business group is what is the category of promotion. And this is promotion of offer name. Okay, so here the main reason of promotion, for what reason we are doing, for increasing sales or for growth of our organization or to retain the customers. Okay, that reason we have to specify under business issues. Okay, and what is the category of promotion? Let's say we are trying to increase the sales of credit cards. Okay, or we want to increase sales of loans related promotion or some kind of any of the products. Okay, so that we need to categorize. Okay, then if it is a credit card, okay, business group is credit card. Under this credit card we can create different offers. That offers are nothing but prepositions. Okay, so here prepositions are might be a standard card preposition, rewards card preposition, premium rewards card preposition. So all these are technical terminologies. Okay, when you do more practice, then only it will be easy to understand. Getting my point, everyone? So such kind of the CDH framework will provide us to define some level of taxonomy. But this is your domain specific. Okay, whatever you are providing, sales growth or some credit card loans or some other mortgage loans, whatever you are giving, this is a domain specific related categories or issues you are adding. But this structure by defaultly, this defining structures, categories, all these will be designed in the CDH framework. Getting my point? Clear, everyone? Any doubts? Anything? Am I going fast or anything? Please let me know once.
So these are like the rules, like what we use in
Yeah,
CDH.
you can consider like some OOTB rules. Okay, some
Oh.
rules, not like
Mm.
OOTB, some rules already that is available in the framework. By using those rules, we can build our implementation related applications. Getting
Yeah, got it.
right?
Thank you.
So yes,
Jhansi, Snehal here.
yes, Neha.
Yeah, so Jhansi, I understood this means this will be the rules in CDH framework.
Yes,
But
yes.
my question is means how we can combine that Pega platform and this CDH framework rules. Suppose I have some application in suppose I have base layer in Pega platform. On top of that, if we have create if we have added this framework, then how we are connecting that.
If suppose when we are placing our structure as built on platforms with the class names we can access, right? Whenever we are placing on top of that, as per the analogy, we have to understand Pega platform is a parent, then
Mhm.
framework is a child of Pega platform, right? Then we can access the features. Otherwise, suppose your CDH framework is one application, okay, and you are creating another implementation application. Then how we can access? That question you may get, right? Then by using some services, service calling, we can access the rules. Getting?
Yeah, you through pattern inheritance you are telling, no?
Yeah, because that inheritance also will be there, right? To access the data from one application to another application. So in the same way, here also inheritance will come into the picture.
Okay. So
Okay.
for accessing those features means, so we need to install this CDH framework.
Already, if we work on this cloud edition, that will be available. Okay, that I'll
Okay. No, in real time
show
scenarios,
you in the
suppose in
coming next
new
tomorrow or if possible today. Yeah, because
in
if it is in
or
a real organization, like in a real time, they'll purchase this product because this is a CDH framework, right? They'll not give it for free. They have to get it from Pega systems. Then that construction of building applications on top of regular applications, as a developer, they'll assign the task. Okay. Generally, this will take care by leads and some high level persons only. Getting
yeah, got it.
clear, right? Next, this is the pictorial representation. You can see how the CDH application architecture. Okay, so where we'll be having a base layer, that is core Pega platform. Inside of it, we'll be having some case management rules, some data related rules, or some kind of security related rules, right? Then on top of it, we are using CDH decisioning layer. Means in the CDH framework layer itself, there are other frameworks also will be available, right? That we have to consider as a foundation layer. Okay, where in the foundation layer, basically these two are same, but I have divided into two parts. In the first part, let's say they are having some features like strategy design, model designs, and some kind of treatments related design they are having in this application layer. And in the CDH framework layer, they may design some more different components which are helpful for designing of NBA, some customer profile related, interaction history related, building of layers available in the main CDH framework. Okay, so combining these two is working as full CDH application. Okay, this is a framework application. Then on top of it, we are creating, let's say, we are creating our own application. 1 minute. Yes. So on top of CDH framework, we are creating our own implementation application and we are customizing the application wherever we want to use. That is for either banking application or for telecom related domain or healthcare related domain. As your wish, you can give a name to your application. Accordingly, classes, some OOTB rules will create in the backend. Getting my point? Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Any doubts till this?
Jhansi, I got confused here. Means why we have two framework layer for CDH?
No. I'm just telling you because I have divided, even though by avoiding this base foundation layer, because if you see, there will be an edit icon, right? Like this. Okay. If you click on this one, it will open another more parent. Again, there will be another icon. If you click on it, there will be another more parent, right? So in the same way, here also, in this CDH framework, you'll be having this particular button. Let's say, if you open it, there will be another button available, right? At this point of screen, you'll be having another framework, okay? Because both are same. There is nothing to confuse. Combined together, it is providing all of these features. Clear? And give me 2 minutes if any possibility to log into application. I'll try to show you the core foundation of CDH, like, and what is the framework layer.
Yeah, Jansi, that will be better.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll try to log into this one, and today I'll try to show you how to open your PDN related profile and how to search for your particular Mason challenges. If time supports, I'll show you further things. Okay, otherwise we'll continue tomorrow. You have to open any of the browser it is, search for pdn.pega.com. Okay, then click on enter. It will direct, okay, to sign into your account. Then click on next and enter your password. I think every one of you have that account, right? So just try to log in with your user ID and passwords. Then what is the next step we have to do here? Here, this is my login, right? Account. Then go to trainings, view your dashboard. Okay, just click on my dashboard. Here, there are different Mason challenges are added to my dashboard, but the same screen may not appear to you because I have added all these Mason challenges. In the previous time also, I did so many Mason challenges like that, right? So that's what I have added these Mason challenges to my dashboard. But for you, this won't happen. Okay. Then even if I'll try to copy this one. Give me a minute. Decisioning consultant. Okay. Let's say I'm deleting. Okay. I'm deleting this particular Mason from my dashboard. Then for you, how to add this decisioning consultant related mission to your dashboard. Why the reason we are adding it here? For simply accessing that particular challenges. Okay, so I'm trying to search for decisioning consultant. Okay, when we search for this one, it is loading. Okay, so here we can see this is 25 version. It is 24. Click on next. I'm just checking anything related to 24 version. 24 version is available or not. If 24 not available, you can go with the 25 also, no problem. All are opening in the 25 version because those are latest versions, right?
I think if you open 25, you have the option to switch, I guess.
Yeah,
Open
we
one of
can switch,
25.
but by defaultly, just I want to show you, even I can go to this one. Okay, we'll switch
There you can
back.
select from the drop down actually the version.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah, from the drop down you
So
can
in
select
the
that.
25 version, suppose 24.2, we'll try to add it. Okay, so where this is a 24 version. Okay, so this is how all the mission related challenges we can see. Okay, where at right top corner we can see add to my dashboard. Okay, when you add this here, if you go to my dashboard and just click on here, why I'm showing all these things? Because few people may don't have this idea, right? That's what. Okay, so 24 version related Mason challenge added. Just try to click on it. Okay, where you can see different Mason challenges. All missions are related to different purposes. Okay, so any of it, just click on cross sell on web. Inside this mission, there are different modules available. Okay, so each module will explain different concepts. Okay, so this action related or some treatments related, engagement policies, All these are different concepts of CDH. Okay. Then how to launch your portal means your application. Just select any of the mission challenge. Okay. Just click on initialize Pega instance. Then we have to wait for some time. It will take some time, like 3 to 5 minutes they have given. Sometimes if you are using it very frequently, this will open within 1 minute also. Sometimes it may take 15 minutes also. Okay. So that we have to, for that we have to wait for some time. I'll just refresh it once again. So yeah, it is showing like your instance is ready. Then click on launch instance. It may take some time also again. 15 minutes it is showing. If we are using it very frequently, it will open within very few seconds also. Otherwise, it will take even 20 to 30 minutes also sometimes based on timing. Okay. Then we have to copy these credentials. What are credentials they are providing, username and password. With these credentials, we need to log into the application. Okay. And one more thing, from next sessions, like in the coming sessions, along with me, try to open your PDN account and try to launch your instance, because sometimes it may take more time for me. Then instead of stopping our class in between to wait for this one, if you launched any of the instance, I can get your URL and I can work on your instance. Okay. So that's what there is one request from my end, because it is taking long time, right? Instead of this one, if I paste your URL here, if your one is already launched, then I can work on it. Okay. So that is what, but it is loading. We have to wait. Otherwise, in the next session, means tomorrow session, I'll show you how to explore this all options and how to create a new application in the CDH related cloud edition. Okay. All those things I'll tell you in the tomorrow session. Clear, everyone? As of now, for today's session, anyone having any doubts? Satish, Abdul,
So are we going to practice on 24 too, or we are going to practice on
Preeti,
25?
Deepti. Sorry, Satish?
Yeah, I have one question.
Yes, regarding.
Yeah, I have one question. Are we going to practice on 24 too or 25 version?
Both are same, here and there, little bit modifications, like some kind
Right,
of
I understand that.
this newly added features. That's it. Because okay, anyhow, if you're okay with 25, then I can work on, like I'll try to explain you on 25 version. No problem. Both are same. Nothing.
Yeah, because we have the
Even
certification on
you can see
25, right? So it will be helpful if you do it on 25.
here, 1 minute. So this is 24.2 version, right? These are different Mason challenges we are seeing, right? Then if we switch to 25 version, so same
So
on
Jansi, we'll be
some,
practicing with the instance whatever is available in the Pega Academy.
yes, yes, we
Okay.
have to work on this one only, because there is no possibility, right? We can work with the decisioning in our personal edition, but with
Mm-hmm.
marketing, it is not possible, right? Because we have to work with the channel configurations, we have to work with the model configurations.
Okay.
So all the things will be available in the cloud edition, because those are the features of CDH framework, right? That is a licensed one that we cannot download. So that's what we have to work on, this cloud edition only.
Yeah, okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll work on this 25 version, no problem. Any doubts? If no doubts, then we can wind up our session and we'll meet tomorrow.
Jansi, could you please give me 1 or 2 minutes post
Sorry, for?
stopping the record? Could you please give me 1 or 2
Yeah,
minutes?
definitely.
I have some
So
queries.
I'll pause the recording, and every one of you, if no doubts, you can leave, no problem, okay?